Everybody, I'm Mr. Second Passport. Today I'm going to cover how if you're over 65 and now living in Ecuador, you can apply to get the sales tax that you pay for things in everyday life returned to you at the end of the month, deposited back into your bank account. It's a pretty cool thing offered by the government itself down here for seniors. And to qualify, you can't just be a visitor. You have to be a legal resident here, right? With a resident visa, and you have to be over 65. Now, and what you can get back, a maximum, is $102 per person, so that'd be $204 for a couple if you're both over 65 per month, right? So that's $102 per month per person is the max you can receive back here in 2022 from the government. Now, what they do is they reimburse you for your personal expenses only. So, like shopping at Supermaxi, groceries, different things like that. As long as you get the factura, the official factura with your cedula number on it, right? The factura means like official receipt down here. You can then take that and, save them up, and at the end of the month, you can yourself or hire someone, like I'm going to show you today in this video, to declare for you. And you have to declare in order to get this money back. Otherwise, you're not going to see it, right? So you declare with this person or this accountant who can do it for you, and you can see that money returned to you, right? So you have to be over 65, and you have to actually declare and show receipts of your purchases. Now, there are exceptions, like you can't write off tax on alcohol, right? You can't get that tax back, and you can't get car costs back, taxes on car parts and any costs associated with the car if the car is not in your name. So like I said, everything has to be a personal expense of your own in order to see that tax, that sales tax or that VAT tax, whatever you want to call it, returned back to you at the end of the month by the government. What's nifty about this is actually you can go back 5 years if you've been over 65 and living in Ecuador with a valid resident visa. You can go back as far as 5 years if you have the receipts and declare, and get all that money returned to you up to the max, which is $102 a month per person. So you can go back as far as 5 years, 1 year, 2 year, 3, 4, or 5 years back and declare it and get that money returned to you. Now, the person that I'm going to mention in the description below is the one I spoke to about this system, and she actually offers her service here in Quito to declare for you in 3-month blocks, right, of receipts that you'd give her, and she would charge $25 for every 3-month block for per person, right? And I'll leave her number in the description below. I used her name is Yvette, to get the info for this video. I don't know her on a personal level, so use at your own risk, like always. But again, that's it. Pretty nifty program that Ecuador has created for seniors that you might be interested in if you qualify. I'm Mr. Second Passport. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button below. Take care.